This is the new GOP18V-28 Starlock oscillating multi-tool from Bosch. The tool provides the next generation Starlock 3D tool accessory interface, which provides outstanding grip, better performance, and greater versatility, plus cordless convenience. The tool uses the full range of Starlock and Starlock Plus accessories. The brushless 4.0 amp EC motor with reinforced metal gearing delivers heavy-duty power every time. The 3D tool accessory interface creates a tight connection for best-in-class torque transfer. Accessories snap in place and release without you ever having to touch a hot blade. The 2.8-degree oscillating arc uses accessories efficiently and delivers excellent productivity. A convenient LED light illuminates dark work areas, while the tool's ergonomic design and small grip diameter make it comfortable to hold. This tool provides exceptional versatility for cutting many materials, including wood and chipboard, OSB, drywall, nails, metal pipe, and PVC. You can even flush cut with it. It can also be used for grinding, sanding, and scraping. Bosch offers an exceptionally wide array of oscillating blades, including 30 standard-duty Starlock blades and 5 heavy-duty Starlock Plus blades, all of which can be used with the GOP18V-28. Bosch blade innovations include blades made from carbide for 30 times longer life than bimetal blades and a curved tech design which reduces vibration by 36% for longer life. Plus, these blades give you the cleanest, smoothest, and most precise cuts of any oscillating saw on the market. A variable speed dial lets you set the optimal speed for any task, from 8,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute. Check out the GOP18V-28 Starlock oscillating multi-tool from Bosch. Learn more about it on this page, where you'll find the complete line of Bosch 18-volt cordless power tools.
Introducing the WORKPRO 6-in-1 staple gun. This highly versatile staple gun can be quickly loaded with 6 different types of staples and nails. It supports T50, JT21, T25, and T20 staples, BN18 brad nails, and pin nails. This 6-in-1 staple gun from WORKPRO features a viewing window allowing you to monitor when your staple levels are low. With the WORKPRO staple gun firing at 60 staples per minute, you can quickly cover all of your surfaces. The contact actuation mode allows you to trigger long rows of staples without straining your hand or breaking your flow. Its lightweight design is ideal for various work and home improvement projects like upholstery, carpeting, weather stripping, fastening fabric, and more. So whatever stapling project you have, the WORKPRO 6-in-1 staple gun has you covered. WORKPRO, build a better project.
Introducing the Fitfinder half gauge, an automatic center finder and depth gauge all in one. The Fitfinder registers off of the material itself and automatically locates the center in seconds with no measuring, no math, and no test cuts. Based on a simple 2,000-year-old equation, the Python-Korean theorem, the Pecan-Norwegian theorem, triangle math. Lock in the measurement with pinpoint accuracy and transfer it to tools to set cutting depth for lap joints. Position your bandsaw fence for resawing in a snap. Dial in your router bits for edge banding or perfectly symmetrical molding profile. Accurately center and mount blanks on the lathe for safer, more efficient spindle work. It used to take several gauges and what seemed like endless trial and error to accurately find the center of stock. The Fitfinder does it all in seconds. measuring and marking and boring math. Get back to building. Add it to your cart and work smarter today with the Fitfinder half gauge.
Introducing the Plate Joiner, slim and ergonomic. With its cast aluminum front body, it's designed for making strong plate joints with efficiency, accuracy, convenience, speed, and comfort. The PJ7000 has non-marring rubber inserts engineered to prevent material from slipping. The powerful 5.6 amp motor delivers 11,000 RPM for quick, precise cutting. The rack and pinion vertical fence system is engineered for accurate adjustments with 3 positive stops at 0 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees. It has 6 depth settings with 1 touch stops and common biscuit sizes. The double insulated PJ7000 also has a toolless blade cover and shaft lock for easy blade changes. Quick changing bag means cleaner work. The Plate Joiner by Makita.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I Jet is fully committed to quality, innovation, and service. Each and every product is designed to empower woodworkers to do more in their craft. That's why Jet is proud to introduce the new portable 13-inch benchtop planer. Delivering the power and efficiency woodworkers demand in their shop, the Jet 13-inch benchtop planer produces a smooth and consistent cut surface thanks to its powerful 2-horsepower 15-amp motor and helical-style cutter head design with 6 rows of 26 individual quick-change inserts. The robust construction features a precision machined cast iron bed and steel cover to keep boards flat and reduce snipe. The Jet 13-inch benchtop planer features dual in-feet controls with speeds of 18 or 26 feet per minute and is capable of removing up to 1/8 inch of material with each pass. Accurate, repeatable cuts are easily set up and performed with the intuitive depth stop. The folding, adjustable in-feed, out-feed tables help support larger workpieces, and convenient side handles make moving the planer around the job site or shop easy and convenient. Following strict guidelines and electrical requirements, the Jet 13-inch benchtop planer is CSA certified and is proudly backed by Jet's 3-year warranty.